Happy marriage. On a heartwarming Valentine's Day, the living room of the Lee family was aglow with soft lights and filled with the sweet scent of homemade treats. It was a special day, not just for the world celebrating love but for this family who had decided to make it a day of sharing and learning about the bonds that keep a family together. The parents, Kim and Jay, had planned a unique celebration involving their children, Emma and Lucas, and their grandparents, Eleanor and Thomas, who had a lifetime of love stories to share. The room was adorned with handmade decorations, with each corner telling a story of affection and care. The family gathered around, sitting comfortably with eager anticipation. Emma and Lucas, still new to the intricacies of love, were especially excited to hear from their grandparents. Their young minds, often bustling with questions, found solace in the tales of the past. As Eleanor and Thomas began to unfold their story, the air was filled with a mix of emotions: curiosity, joy, and a deep sense of connection. They spoke of kindness, not just as an act but as the essence of their relationship. Kindness, Eleanor said, is like the soft thread that sews our hearts together, making them stronger. Emma and Lucas listened intently, absorbing the simplicity yet profundity of her words. Thomas shared the value of patience, explaining how it had allowed them to grow together, even through difficult times. Patience is like waiting for a seed to sprout. It takes time, care, and a lot of love, he mused. Lucas, who often found himself impatient, pondered over these words, realizing the beauty in waiting and growing. Laughter, they said, was the melody of their life together. Even on the gloomiest days, a single laugh can light up the whole room. Thomas chuckled, recounting tales that had the whole family laughing. Emma thought about how laughter had always made her feel better, even when homework or school made her stressed. Communication, the cornerstone of their relationship, was discussed with warmth and earnestness. Talking and listening to each other, truly listening, is how we've navigated through life's ups and downs, Eleanor explained. Kim and Jane nodded, sharing glances that spoke volumes of their own journey with communication. The spirit of adventure, as shared by the couple, resonated with the children. They spoke of adventures not as grand voyages but as the little things, exploring a new park, learning a new skill together, or simply watching the stars. Adventure, Eleanor smiled, is about finding the new in the everyday. Emma and Lucas's eyes sparkled with the thought of future family adventures. As the night drew to a close, with stories shared and laughter echoing in the room, the family felt a renewed sense of connection and understanding. Valentine's Day wasn't just about romantic love, it was about the love that binds a family together, through kindness, patience, laughter, communication, and shared adventures. Emma and Lucas, cuddled up with their grandparents, felt a deep gratitude for this day of learning and love. The stories had not just taught them about the secrets to a happy marriage, but had shown them the importance of love in all its forms. As they drifted off to sleep, their hearts were full, their minds inspired by the beautiful simplicity of loving and being loved. This Valentine's Day, the Lee family discovered that the greatest love stories don't always come from books or movies but from the hearts and lives of those we hold dear. And for Emma and Lucas, this was a lesson they would carry with them, enriching their understanding of love and life in their journey.